Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the adorable pink kitty cat car accessories, cute strawberry steering wheel cover. This steering wheel cover is not only stylish, but it also offers great protection for your steering wheel. The cover is printed with original designs of kitty elements, making it a unique imprint that is perfect for all the kitty girls out there. Made with high-quality neoprene, it is soft and comfortable to the touch, giving you a firm grip while driving. Measuring at 15 inches in diameter, this cover is suitable for most cars and features a folding elastic ring design for quick and tool-free installation. The unique design pattern is the perfect decoration for your car, with bright colors that are sure to make you stand out and put you in a good mood. So, if you want to add a pop of color and a stylish touch to your car, then be sure to check out the Pink Kitty Cat Car Accessories cute strawberry steering wheel cover. You can find the link to purchase this amazing accessory in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.